Guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new Poundland haul. I wanted to show you what I got today. There's some really good finds in there and I really hope that you enjoy. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name's Ash. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are new, I'd love you to hit subscribe. It's completely free and it'd be really nice to see you over here again. So let's jump into the video and I'll show you what I got. By the way, I painted my nails specifically for this video because see, before this they were a mess. They were a mess. So I'm actually feeling quite proud of myself that I had time to fit that in. So let's jump into it. This is the first thing that's popping out of the bag. It is Ella's birthday coming up at the end of this month. She's going to be 6. The 30th of May she's going to be 6. And I honestly just can't believe that she's 6 already. I can't believe that I have a 6-year-old. I feel like that just registered with me just now. It's mad. I cannot believe she's 6. Anyway, with that being said, I want to start picking up some party sort of decorations. We will probably have something for her in the garden and just decorate like the fence and the little tree house and stuff, and she can have a few friends over. So these are little circle garlands. How nice are they? So basically they're just like kind of, I don't know, they're sort of like ginger ray vibes, aren't they? So they are like little kind of metallic rose gold circles that are on a string, and you can kind of just like loop them around. So I've got 3 packs, so that's 9 meters in total, which isn't an awful lot, but they were only £1 each. So I'll see how I get on with them and see how many are on the string, because now sometimes there's quite a lot of gaps between. So we'll see what I can do with them. I thought they were a great wee buy and something that I would normally pick up and keep for future parties and then keep them back in the party area. I've got actually a whole like designated shelf for party stuff, which is why I bought these gorgeous bags. How lovely are they? They were only £1 each. So I love this one first. It's like kind of like, I don't know, I would give that to a boy maybe. It's that kind of like a greyish green sort of like muted tone, but it's obviously Winnie the Pooh on it. I think that's lovely, like a little silhouette. And this is similar. We've got Belle. I thought that Ella would love that. So, well, I'm saying Belle, it says princess on it, but well, yeah, it is Disney. They are definitely Disney. It says here in the back that they're Disney. I thought they were lovely for £1 each. So I usually do get Charlie something on Ella's birthday and I get Ella something on Charlie's birthday. So what I can even do is use this to put his little gift in, just because I like to do that. I don't know, spoiled, I know, but I just think it keeps it fair. Keeps it fair. Right, next thing I got was cleaning stuff. I got some cloths. These ones here were actually on sale for 50p. So the reason why I got it is because it's got one of these ones which is amazing for dusting. So I got that one. Then just a regular couple of little you know, the usual kind of microfibers you would use just for cleaning down surfaces. And then this one again is like more like a glass polishing cloth. So I thought that was pretty good for 4 of them, and usually they are £1, but they don't have any like, you know, lint coming off them or anything. They're really good, so I'm happy with them. Then I also got a refill for my Airwick Life Scents, you know, the little automatic spray thing. This was £3 for this one, but this, as you know, Summer Delights, it is my favourite. It's a kind of like, it's slightly floral, but it's more like vanilla scented. It smells like melon and vanilla. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I've also got the plug-ins for these as well, so that goes in my bathroom. Got some pink stuff. This is a huge bottle actually. I don't even know if that's the usual size of it, but that was £1 and I use that on trainers all the time. It's fantastic. Anyway, these are another couple of like party things. I did get 3 packs of these. I don't know where the other pack are. Yeah, 3 of these. These are little tiaras, which I thought would be really cute. Even if I'm doing like little party bags for Ella's friends for school or whatever, even if they're not coming for like, you know, a bit of cake and stuff, then I can just give these out. So I think there's 5 in a pack and they were £1 each. I actually got these as well. I don't know if they're actually amazing like UV protection wise. They've got a filter category 2, but I more got them for like fashion for Charlie. He's got a pair of sunglasses, but he prefers the shape of mine. So like, I don't know if you can really see these actually properly. Looking more of like an aviator style, but they were only £1. I thought he just loves that. He thinks that's like cool to wear sunglasses, so I just got him them. They had tons of them, but as I say, UV 400 protection. I'm not sure if that's actually great or not, but just for the fashion, I thought that he'd like them. And then I also got this tiny little pot, which is really, really sweet, isn't it? That's the kind of thing I'd imagine if you went out for like a pub lunch, which by the way, I cannot believe we're back on going out for dinner. It's amazing. If you went for a pub lunch and you got like a little mini steak and nail pie, it would come in one of these, wouldn't it? So it's oven proof, which is amazing, and it's also dishwasher safe. But the reason why I got this was for making things like baked eggs or for baked oats. so it means I can pop everything in here like a little individual portion. And the fact it's a smaller ramekin, if I'm doing baked oats, they kind of come up like more like a cake size rather than like thinner. The ones I've got just now, they end up too thin, so I thought this would be perfect for that. Then I also got some Napolina extra virgin olive oil, which was I think 150. I'm sure it was 150 or £2 for this, so I needed more olive oil. And then I think this is just a bag of snacks now, so I've also got dairy milk mini bars. The kids are off tomorrow, actually it's an in-service day, so they're going to eat me out of house and home. I also got some Jammy Dodger packs, again £1. I got some Bomb Bears, which I love as well because I'm trying to calorie count. So these are only 65 calories per bag, and like obviously quite low calorie value for what you're having. So usually I'll have one of these instead of a shared bag of crisps, which was definitely a good saving. So they were £1. And then I also got some What's-Its, pack of 6 for £1 as well. And then I also got some party rings. So these ones actually burst the bag. I love party rings. See, like that, if I'm trying to be good, I find a packet of these instead of my usual like pack of biscuits is better because it's only 83 calories per bag, so I can still have a packet of these at night time with a cup of tea without totally blowing my calories up. And then I also got some Miracle Grow plant food. It's quite good actually because Poundland's now not only doing all the pound stuff, but you get a few things in there that are like anywhere up to like £5 or £6. This was £3, which is still cheaper than Asda where I'd originally got it. So I've been using this for all of my plants in the garden, and I definitely think it's making a big difference. This is outdoor plant food, and you mix it with a litre of water and then use it on all your plants and flowers and fruit trees or whatever, and it basically helps them to grow. So you're meant to use this every 7 to 14 days from early spring to late summer, and only actually feed your plants when they're actively growing. So yeah, really like this stuff. I think it's really good. The only thing is the mixing it's kind of annoying, but I've got like a little system for that now. I've now got a watering can that I use for that. And then now this is actually kind of like an odd purchase for me. I would never usually get the school uniform in Poundland, but I seen this and I just couldn't pass up the opportunity to buy it. Ella needs new polo shirts. I do not know what she does to them, and I kind of feel like I don't want to get the ones I would usually get for her because they're nearly at the end of the school. I don't think that quality wise they're going to be amazing, I'm not sure, but they'll do a return. They look quite small, that's the only thing I'd say for a 7 to 8, but for gym days these are perfect. For £50 I could not pass up getting them. So I got 2 little polo shirts, and then I also got her another cardigan. I think this is again a 7 to 8 maybe, or 8 to 9, I can't even remember what size I picked this up in. It's 8 to 9. It was meant to be £5 reduced to £2, so I got her a little navy cardigan. She can wear navy or grey, so I've got a little navy cardigan for her to wear. I also got these fruit flakes. These are the yogurt covered ones, which I would say are the best ones. 5-pack for £1. I then got some cleaning stuff, so I picked up this Honolulu Fabulosa, which I use for various things. I put it in my sink and put it in hot water, or sometimes I just clean my floor with it. I use it in my spray mop with water diluted as well, so it's really nice. The scent of this is lovely too. And I've also got some Dettol floor wipes. I generally speaking don't use wipes, but sometimes I feel like, especially having a dog, it's just really quick and easy to grab one wipe and clean down the floor. So these ones are the lemon and lime scent, but I might actually keep them in my car. Because they're massive, they're great for like if the kids have been out for a walk and their shoes are bogging and you need to just give them a quick clean. So I got these. And then I also picked up 2 Fabulosa sprays as well. So these ones are both different scents. I got the Miami Sun, which I've not seen before. They've got tons of these scents. I actually don't know how many they've got, but surely there's got to be like well over 100, because every time I go in the shops there's always a new range. So I've got this one, and then I've also got the wild rhubarb. So I've been using these loads. They kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and they're suitable for vegans as well. Next up, I'm sure that most of this is just like stationery and like kind of beauty things. So let's go for the kind of beauty stuff first. I got the Sure Bright Bouquet deodorant. I tend to change up my deodorant quite often. I'm actually really wanting to try the reusable, you know, the kind of like cream stick one. I've forgotten the name of it, but a few people have used it on Instagram and it looks lovely and it smells amazing apparently. So I might ditch the whole deodorant can thing and go for the reusable ones. I'm actually going to look into that because I feel like I go through deodorant quite often. I spray a lot of it, and I know that like aerosols are really bad for the environment, so maybe I should switch up. I've also got hairspray. This is the Firm McCann stuff. It's actually really good. I use this for the kids as well, so yeah, I find it's actually really good for spraying my hair and it keeps it in shape. This has got added pro vitamin B5 in it as well, which I never realised, and the scent is non-offensive. You know, sometimes the scent in hairsprays are horrible. That one's actually okay. Then I also picked up some of these oval cotton pads. I never had any left. I have been using face halos, which I really like, but sometimes if I'm using something like my Pixie Glow Tonic, I prefer using an actual pad. So I got some of these, which were like £1 for that pack, which is quite good. And then I also got this little manicure set. The reason why I picked this up actually is just because of the storage itself. So if you can see, it's like a little storage container. It's like a little tin, so it's got like parts there that you can hold all of your like tweezers, your scissors, and any of your like kind of cuticle pusher things. In fact, that's got a really good one in there, a really small one. That looks pretty good. So yeah, this contains a nail file, tweezers, cuticle pusher, scissors, and nail clippers. And the thing is, it comes in this little good vibes only tin. So I might actually switch out the scissors they've got in here because they don't look great, they look quite thin. But I'll put in my own scissors because I'm forever losing them and it annoys me. So I'm going to put in probably my own, you know, scissors and tweezers and everything in here, but keep it in this little tin because I think that would be perfect. Really handy for doing the kids' nails and stuff. And then this here, I got the Land of Nod essential oil. They had a ton of this like range in there. So they had bath salts, they had some other kind of lavender scented thing. I can't remember what it was now. Potentially a cream, but this one is just like lavender scented aromatherapy oil, which I thought would be really nice to pop into a spray bottle and spray down the kids' beds at night. I used to use lavender oil all the time and I think it really helps to relax them for bed, especially with my two. They're really quite bad just now with the night terrors and being scared of the dark and all that stuff. So I think having that kind of like calming environment for bedtime is essential for us. And actually I think I got the bottles, didn't I? Did I get the bottles, the travel set? Oh no, I think I forgot to lift them up. Surely not. I've obviously been very drawn to lavender today, but I got this, which is like the sheet masks from Garnier. I actually love these so much. I've always used them. I think they're amazing. They're called Moisture Bomb, and this one was £2 in there, which I do believe is the cheapest you get them. So this one is the lavender and hyaluronic acid. It really just makes your whole face so hydrated for a good week. It says on here that it's a week of hydrating active therapy. This, for me, I get really dry skin, so I think this is really good to use when I'm having a time where my skin's dry or my tan's coming off. Love, love, love these. And then I also got, do you know, actually someone I've seen on Instagram, just quickly while I remember, puts one of these into birthday cards. If it's like a small birthday, like say for example it's a neighbour or something you just want to give like a small minding, they put one of these inside a birthday card envelope, which I just think is so nice, isn't it? It's such a nice idea. I also picked up these, which I'm hoping, yeah, they do. It's a double set, which is quite good. It's a twin pencil sharpener, but 2 in a pack. So I have currently got a normal pencil sharpener, but I'm basically just like using that to cut down my lip liner, and it's not really cutting it for me. So I got 2 of these. Then I also got these, which I'm not sure are going to be as good as the Command ones. I really hope that they are because I spent a fortune on them. But these are the swivel hooks. So if you can see there, they're like Command hooks that you like just take the sticker off the back, stick them to any wall or surface or inside of like a cupboard door, and then the hooks here you can use them to hook like hats on, or even just like cloths, put a hole in your cloth and hook the cloths on, which I'm planning on doing. And then they basically just like swivel, so if you can see the little clips, they're quite handy. Now the back here, does it tell you how much weight they can hold? It doesn't say anything, which is not reassuring. Holds strongly, but how? Oh yeah, holds up to 1 kilogram. That's good then. Next up, I did get a few some stationery things. I don't know what's going on, but I'm losing all of my pens just now. I think Ella keeps taking them to draw stuff with. So I did get a new notepad, because if you don't already know, then I'm part of a podcast group. So me and Ailey and Lauren have got a podcast called The Good Motherhood. If you don't already follow it, you can go to my description box below. I'll link it in there. We are free to listen to. It's on Spotify and on Apple Podcasts. So if you go down there, click on it. We just do like everyday chat. It's not just all mum stuff. If you do want to listen along, then definitely check us out. Before that, I wanted to get a new notepad because, oh, this is not what I thought it was going to be. This is a study book. Oh, that's okay, I suppose. What's it got at the start? Oh, it's got like a little kind of like priorities list. That's quite good then. I like to take notes for topics that we have for the podcast, so I was going to use this for that. And also we have like another kind of like separate part from the podcast, kind of related but something separate, happening soon, so that's really exciting. So I thought I would use this to organise all the ideas for that. And then I also got some pens, so I got some of these zebra pens. I just liked all the colours, I thought they were really nice, and plus Fraser won't take them to work, so I'm quite glad that I got those colours. And then I got these ones which I love to keep in my bag. They're just so nice, £1 each. They're such a great wee gift as well, like I was saying, if you're looking for something small to give someone as a nice little present. They're so nice, look at that, whoa, sparkly. So I got the black one, and then I got a little pearl topped one, which is rose gold. They're £1 each, so really, really handy. And that is everything that I got today, so I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you've stuck around to the end and you're not subscribed, please do click that red subscribe button just below the video and stick around to my channel. There's quite a lot of you that actually watch my videos that aren't subscribed, so if you would click that button it would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys really soon. Thank you so much for your support as always, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye guys!